The FES Center exists in Cleveland because of the depth and the history of neuromodulation expertise that's here. The center crosses boundaries and has all these institutional partners to take advantage of all of those relationships. What we try to do is establish communication between investigators and our industrial partners so that problems that our industrial partners are trying to solve but have a difficult time doing for a variety of reasons, those are problems that we can answer in the academic center. That same relationship works as our investigators develop technologies and are looking for development partners. I try to facilitate our interactions on an academic level and with industrial partners. Northeast Ohio has a lot of companies really that have spun out of Cleveland FES Center technologies. SYNAPSE Biomedical is a company that develops a breathing system. NEUROS is a company that has blocking technology to stop activity in nerves. NDD Medical and SPR Therapeutics are focused on pain relief. Great Lakes Neurotechnology has a remote monitoring system for people with movement disorders. We have an enormous amount of expertise here in electrical stimulation. We have a lot of technology. We have a lot of physiological expertise. I think that neuromodulation offers an enormous amount of potential to people who are suffering from really very severe, debilitating diseases like epilepsy, chronic depression, chronic pain. And the promise of using electrical stimulation to treat these diseases, I think, is massive. The center provides the ability to study these things in a real basic science kind of way and then develop the translational pathway and facilitate that translation so we can get these therapies to the people who need them faster. The environment where we live in the FES Center is that sort of interaction every day. We work very closely with our physician partners, our clinical partners, and the academic partners. And that is really what drives our innovation. It provides the sort of the inspiration to get the ideas started and the grants written, but it also provides the clinical environment to test these ideas in humans and get that translation pathway started. When we partner with other institutions, it really makes the whole process more efficient. We're always looking for ways to partner with people and move some of those technologies through development. So if you're interested in working with the FES Center, you can always contact me or really anybody in the center. We're very open to collaborations.